Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to unlock max iPhone battery health. I'll tell you some proven methods you need to know. Your iPhone's battery health is a crucial factor in determining its performance and longevity. Like all lithium ion batteries, the one in your iPhone will naturally degrade over time. However, with your thoughtful usage, proper charging habits and effective temperature management, you can significantly slow this process. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First, you should understanding battery usage and charge cycle. A charge cycle is completed when your battery discharge 100% of its capacity, whether in a single session or across multiple partial charges. For example, using 50% of your battery one day and another 50% the next day equals one full charge cycle. The more cycles your battery completes, the faster it will degrade over time. To reduce strain on your iPhone, it's important to moderate your device usage. Activities such as gaming, video streaming, or running resource-intensive apps for extended periods can accelerate the depletion of charge cycles. These activities demand more power, causing the battery to drain and recharge more frequently. Allowing features like low power mode can help conserve energy, reduce the frequency of charging, and ultimately slow down battery wear. Additionally, keeping an eye on your battery usage statistics in the iPhone settings can help you identify apps or activities that consume excessive power. By managing these, you can reduce unnecessary strain on your battery and extend its lifespan. Next, optimizing charging practices. Go to battery health and charging. Regularly charging your iPhones to 100% or allowing it to drop below 20% can increase wear on the battery. Instead, aim to keep the charge level between 20% and 80%, as this range minimizes stress on the battery. Apple's optimized battery charging feature, available in iOS, is a valuable tool for automating healthy charging routines. This feature learns your daily charging habits and delay charging beyond 80% until just before you need your device. By minimizing prolonged exposure to high charge level, this feature helps reduce battery strain over time. If your iPhone supports it, you can also explore third-party apps or settings that allow you to set custom charge limits for even greater control. And also, you should use high quality chargers and cables. And you should also manage temperature for battery longevity. iPhone's batteries are highly sensitive to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, which can cause permanent damage. To maintain your iPhone's battery health and extend its lifespan, reduce battery cycle consumption by moderating usage and allowing power saving features like low power mode. Turn on the low power mode on your iPhone and maintain a charge level between 20% and 80% to minimize strain on the battery. Use the optimized battery charging feature to automate healthy charging routines and reduce prolonged exposure to high charge levels, and prevent overheating by avoiding direct sunlight, heavy usage during charging, and removing heat trapping cases when necessary. By adopting these practices, you can significantly slow the natural degradation of your iPhone's battery, making sure it remains efficient and reliable for years to come. Small adjustments to your daily habits can have lasting impact on your device performance and longevity. And you are done. I hope you find this video helpful, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.